Hello and welcome to Zimstek Media. In some latest developments, Zimbabwe's President Emmerson Mnangagwa has assented to the Constitution of Zimbabwe Amendment Bill No. 3, 2026, a move that extends the presidential term of office from 5 to 7 years and alters the country's electoral framework. The signing comes 8 years after President Mnangagwa publicly pledged to leave office after serving constitutionally prescribed a maximum of 10 years. The Constitution of Zimbabwe Amendment Bill No. 3 Act of 2026, which has now become law, introduces key changes to the governance structure, including the extension of the presidential term limit and adjustments to electoral provisions. The amendment has generated debate across the political and civic spectrum, with the supporters arguing it provides stability for long-term policy implementation, while critics say it departs from previous commitments to constitutionalism and the democratic rotation of leadership. The government is set to release full details on when the new provisions will take effect. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.